Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? Today's episode, we got a really cool product or a cool software app that I want to talk to you guys about. So if you guys don't know about this already, so basically the app is called Clubhouse, and what it's for or how you guys use it is you basically can join into this app, and it's only invite only at the moment. They might change it in the future, but definitely blew up faster than the creators thought. But before I talk more about the product, let me show you guys what the product looks like and everything. So let's actually open up the app first. So if you guys can see, this is basically what the app looks like. So there's like different groups for like different topics or whatever, whether it be for talking about like tech stuff, Amazon stuff, just selling products in general. Basically, you guys can learn a lot of stuff on here from like well-known people, whether it be for entrepreneurs or just people in general talking about like issues happening today. There's even a lot of different like clubs room nowadays where they talk about different languages, whether you guys want to learn about like Chinese, Mandarin, Japanese, Korean. You guys can start your own room of people, or you guys can join different rooms as long as you guys follow that person. So I'm just going to join a quick room to show you guys what I mean or how it works. So if I want to join this group right here, which is the Celebrity Matchmaker Q&A live coaching for singles. So it's basically like a group to talk about like matchmaking, and if you guys are single, and how to find relationships, and to basically give you guys like tips or like guidance on how to find like that significant other or whatever. So that's one of the groups right here. And if you guys look at the people in this room, there's actually a lot of people in here that are like really well known, or they know what they're talking about. So what's really cool about this feature with this app is the fact that it's not just allowing for just celebrities to speak, but basically anyone can be on here. Like I can be on there, somebody who doesn't do YouTube, doesn't do anything, that's like just trying to start out, you guys can be on here as well. So it's like so open to anyone to ask questions and like learn from these people, and they can learn from you as well, because it's like a huge community, which is pretty awesome. Like I've been on this app for probably a few days already, probably like 4 or 5 days already. There's so many people on here talking about different topics and everything, which is pretty awesome. And it's really helpful for me as well, since I have a YouTube channel, I have Instagram page. I also do Amazon on the side, so I can join those different categories or group and learn from other people and ask questions if I have any questions on there, which is pretty cool. And you guys learn from other people. If you guys don't want to speak up as well, you guys can just sit in a room and listen to other people that has a lot of good questions as well. There are a lot of like well-known celebrities or like YouTubers who do like really well. Even TikTokers on here that know so much on there that they're even on here trying to get information and learn from others as well. And they're giving their information or knowledge to other people as well out here to learn, whoever wants to learn. And to be honest, I don't even think it's that hard to even get in anymore, even though it's like each person gets 2 invites. As long as you guys know someone who's in this app, they can give 2 invites, and you guys can give another 2 invites to someone else and keep spreading on and on. Kind of like a virus in a way, but a good virus. That way you can add more and more people, which will help the app, but also help you guys and help your friends get into this app and learn more about different topics, different stuff on this app together, and become more knowledgeable about everything, and possibly help you guys in the future of whatever you guys want to do. Whether you guys want to be a entrepreneur, if you guys want to sell on Amazon, if you guys want to be a YouTuber, TikToker, a Instagrammer, whatever. All the different categories on here, and there's so many well-known people or like knowledgeable people on here. And it doesn't even have to be about like learning stuff. You guys can just talk to other people about like random stuff as well, like what's happening nowadays, like current issues. If you guys want to talk about like what kind of dim sum you guys want to eat, or what's your favorite food, there's just so many different topics on here. It's not just like stuck on just learning about like how to be successful, how to be a YouTuber, whatever. It's just so many different topics, which is really cool. I want to show you guys a quick demo of how to actually use like each room and everything, and what each one is for. So look, for example, if you guys can see this room right here, there's all these different people speaking here, and that green circle right there, those are the moderators. And if you guys go down, this next category or next section right here, these are the people who the speakers follow. So whoever are the speakers up here, these are the people that they follow. And right underneath that, and in this section right here are for people who are like brand new or no one follows them in terms of the speakers and not following them. And then this is how you guys leave. So if you guys click on this button right here, you guys can leave the room quietly, or you guys can click on the top part right here to leave and join a different group. The plus right here is how you guys invite your friends, and then this hand right here is for raising hands. So once you guys raise your hand, then the actual moderators and everything will need to approve that and let you guys come up to the speaker section so you can ask questions and everything. So definitely this app gives a lot of different opportunities for people to learn and also give back their feedback or their knowledge to other people, so everyone can learn. So that's a little bit of like the app itself and how it works, and kind of telling you guys what is on here. Now that we did a quick like I guess testing and like review of the actual app itself and explaining to you guys how it works and everything, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So obviously after everything that I said so far, you guys can definitely see that I'm a fully supporter of this app and it's really awesome. So I definitely have to say that it's worth it. Like, you guys can learn so much stuff on here, socialize, learn stuff, do whatever you guys want on here. If you guys want to have fun talking to your friends or whatever. But then obviously if you guys don't care about this or don't want this or whatever, then don't download it, don't use it, and save your time for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.